Hello YouTube, this is Anthony Lewin and I am looking at the Class 08 diesel shunter, and if you look behind me, I'm not sure what that is, but to me I think that's a Class 37 and I'm going to have a look around here.
Is it? Right, sorry.
All the old rolling stock. It's on the bottom. Wow. Hello YouTube. Right. Would you look at this? Interesting. Cluster. So you can't see that very well, but it says IC250. And scale model railway. I believe, now I may be wrong, but this one here, which is the one I'm looking at, I believe is the EMU 507 that used to run in between. That's the ones now, but they made them into 3 cars, but this one's I think it's an 8 car. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, so it must be 4 and 4. That's what they must have done. If I cut through here. Double O gauge. Look at that. Oh, we're gonna have a look at the We're gonna have a look at the Flying Scotsman now. Oh, I know that train from the simulator. I've played that. The 125 is in, but I like it in the Swift. Look at that. The Class 55. Class 55002. What a locomotive. Look at that diesel generator. The diesel generator is in there. Look at that. here there's a well, it's a real thing. Ooh. Do 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 do. Right, so is this how the engine actually works? Let's just move away from that.
It's a gyroscope to create balance.
Yeah.
That's why it can go over a wire.
Mm.
Ah, that's how they work. You can build modern versions of some of the new materials and techniques that have been invented over the past 100 years. Those transport problems.
I don't it.
Yeah. I never thought of it as gyroscope.
This one, I think. ABB. Oh, look at this. Let's see. Look at that.